What if I told you your next burger could be printed instead of cooked? 3D printed meat is the latest breakthrough in food tech. By layering plant-based proteins or lab-grown tissues, printers can craft juicy, realistic meat substitutes, or even actual meat, in minutes. Restaurants are already testing these machines to serve customizable dishes on demand. The best part? 3D printed meat reduces waste, cuts costs, and offers healthier options since fat content and flavor profiles can be adjusted. Imagine ordering a burger tailored specifically to your dietary needs. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? But it's closer than you think. Would you try a 3D printed meal? Share your thoughts below, and spread the word about this game-changing kitchen gadget. Keep exploring with Did You Know?